How to fix common Word table issues. So if you're working with tables in Word, you've probably run into annoying glitches, like tables overflowing past your page margins, rows splitting awkwardly across pages, or tables getting completely stuck and jumping around your text. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to fix the 3 most common Word table issues. So first, let's fix tables that are too wide and extending past the right edge of your document. So click anywhere inside your table, then locate this arrow. It's four-sided arrow. Then right-click that arrow to open the menu, over AutoFit, right over here, and select AutoFit to window. Word instantly shrinks all columns, so the entire table fits perfectly between your page margins. Next, if your table rows get sliced in half mid-sentence when crossing onto a new page, let's lock them together. So highlight your entire table now, using the arrows right here. Right-click inside any cell and choose Table Properties. Switch over to the Row tab here, and uncheck the box next to Allow Row to break across pages, and click OK. Now, if a row doesn't fit at the bottom of the page, Word will cleanly push the whole row onto the next one. And finally, if your table refuses to move cleanly or overlaps surrounding text, its wrapping mode is misconfigured. So right-click your table and open Table Properties right here. Stay on the Table tab and look at the text wrapping section, the bottom one. And if it's set to Around, change it back to None and click OK. And yeah, this is it. Your Word tables are now clean, aligned, and behaving properly. Enjoy, guys.